In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up Hot Label on a Windows PC. From the home page through your first successful test print. We'll install the required pieces, configure your printer, and make sure everything's working before you commit to a subscription. You'll start here on the hotlabel.com webpage. I'm going to skip the sign-up flow in this video to avoid showing emails and verification codes. When you sign up yourself, you'll enter your email and receive a one-time code. After entering that code, you'll be taken to a short onboarding page where we ask for a few basics: name, business name, phone number. Once you submit those details, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the main dashboard. At the top, Hot Label walks you through the required setup steps. You'll also see the subscription options here. You can subscribe now, or you can finish setup and confirm everything works first. Hot Label will function either way. There are 2 items you need to install to enable Hot Label. Step 1, QZ Tray. It's actually step 2 on this list, but that's all right. First is QZ Tray, which allows Hot Label to send print jobs directly to your printer. Click the link here to download the Windows installer and run it. During install, Windows may ask for permission. Allow it. Once it's running, you'll see QZ Tray in the system tray near the clock. Once it's running, you'll see QZ Tray in the system tray near the clock. Next is the Hot Label browser extension. Chrome or Edge both work on Windows. If you already have Chrome installed, that's usually the simplest choice. If that isn't checked, click the link, install the extension, and make sure it's enabled. We'll hit Add to Chrome, Add Extension. In Chrome, we can click the puzzle piece and see Hot Label here. We can click the pin to pin it next to your navigation bar. On Windows, printer preferences are especially important. Open Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select your label printer and open Printer Preferences. Every printer looks a little different in Windows, but the goal here is the same. In your printer's preferences, you need to select a paper size that matches your label size. If your label size isn't listed, you'll need to add a custom paper size using that printer's settings. Hot Label uses these printer settings directly. If this step is skipped, labels will not print correctly. Portrait. This is the trickiest part of the setup, so if you get stuck or something doesn't look right, please reach out. I'm happy to help. Now let's configure Hot Label. As you can see, once the extension and QZ Tray have been installed, Your dashboard will update to reflect that fact. Now let's configure Hot Label itself. If you are presented with an email box like this, just hit refresh. It should automatically connect. Once you're on the settings screen, choose your printer. Leave your print engine set to standard. Find your label size. Choose a logo if you desire. Change the extra text at the bottom of the label also if you desire. And then have a test print. Make sure everything works. Looks like everything's working perfectly here. If that test print works, everything else will too. Once everything looks right, you can enable auto print. When auto print is on, Hot Label will automatically print a label as soon as the label comes in. This can be from any Whatnot or eBay Live window, so if you enable auto print and leave it on, watch out for stray windows. On the right, you'll see an area showing recent sales, along with a live preview of the most recent label. I'll make a separate video to go over the feature set of Hot Label in detail. For now, take a look around the settings screen and get to know what Hot Label can do for you. Go ahead and load up any live stream. Watch as Hot Label shows the sales real time in its history list. Turn on auto print and give it a real spin. Now that you're all set up and everything's working, head back to hotlabel.com to choose a subscription. The starter plan includes 6,000 prints per month, which is enough for most sellers. If you're running multiple streams or channels or need access to sales data or custom features, take a look at Pro or Enterprise. We'll do our best to meet your needs. Thanks for using Hot Label.